Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of receipts, wondering if there's a magic button to transform that chaos into organized financial insights? You're not alone. And maybe, just maybe, you've stumbled upon Expensify, heard whispers of its power, and asked yourself, is this just an expense tracker, or could it be an ERP? Let's unpack that, because it's a question that gets thrown around a lot. We all know Expensify. It's that app that snaps photos of your receipts, automates expense reports, and makes life a little less painful during tax season. But ERP? That's a whole different beast. Enterprise resource planning. We're talking about integrated systems that manage core business processes, finance, HR, supply chain, the whole 9 yards. So, where does Expensify fit in? Think of Expensify as a specialist, a master of one domain, expense management. It excels at capturing, processing, and reporting on employee spending. It's got smart scanning, automated approvals, and direct integrations with accounting software. This makes it incredibly efficient for businesses that need to streamline their expense reporting. But, and this is a big but, ERP systems are designed to be comprehensive. They're the central nervous system of a business, connecting disparate departments and providing a unified view of operations. Expensify, while powerful, doesn't inherently manage inventory, manufacturing, or complex HR functions. It's not a full suite. However, the lines are blurring. Modern software ecosystems are all about integration. Expensify plays nicely with many ERP platforms like NetSuite, SAP, and Oracle. This allows businesses to leverage Expensify's specialized expense management capabilities within a broader ERP framework. So, the answer isn't a simple yes or no. It's more of a it depends. Expensify, on its own, is not a full-fledged ERP. But, it can be a critical component of one. It's a best-of-breed solution that focuses on expense management, and it integrates seamlessly with larger ERP systems to expand their functionality. Consider a mid-sized company using NetSuite. They need robust financial management, inventory control, and order processing, all hallmarks of a strong ERP. But they also want to simplify employee expense reporting. They can integrate Expensify with NetSuite, gaining the best of both worlds. They keep the power of NetSuite for their core operations and add Expensify's streamlined expense management. This integration is key. Expensify becomes a specialized module within the larger ERP ecosystem. It enhances the ERP's functionality, making it more comprehensive and efficient. In essence, Expensify is a powerful tool that complements, rather than replaces, an ERP system. Think of it like adding a high-performance engine to a well-built car. The car itself is the ERP, providing the chassis and overall structure. Expensify is the engine, providing the specialized power and efficiency for expense management. Ultimately, the question isn't whether Expensify is an ERP, but whether it can be part of an ERP solution. And the answer to that is a resounding yes. It's a powerful tool that, when integrated correctly, can significantly enhance your financial management capabilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.